In this video, we will be showing you how to install the 100 amp Class R fuse kit into a 100 amp fusible switch. First, before starting, make sure that the power is off and that there is no power connected to the switch. First, remove the load base assembly from the switch. Take the Class R clip and slide it into this hole on the fuse clip, and then rotate forward until it clicks into place. Now, with all three tabs installed, the switch will reject all types of fuses except Class R. Finally, reinstall the load base back into the switch.